Welcome back to another Seek Optics replacement lens video. Today we'll be looking at the Chanel 4204-Q. Now this is a fairly simple frame to remove the lenses of. It has two Phillips head screws. One's located just behind the arm here, and the other is right here behind the arm. So all you're going to want to do is get your small screwdriver, Phillips head, and you're just going to want to loosen those, maybe like 2 or 3 turns. You don't want to take them all the way out. It'll just make installing the screw back into the frames a lot harder, because you got to keep these together, and it's just a lot harder. So yep, you just want to loosen those up. I've already done that. So then once you have them loose, you can just turn it over here. You're going to want to push with your thumbs, kind of hold the metal frame with your other 2 fingers, and those will pop right out like that. Do the same thing on this side. And you're just going to push with the thumbs, pops right out. Alright, so once you got them out, you want to flip them over, turn it to the side, take your lens, and just gonna seat it back inside the metal frame like that. You might hear a little pop into place. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. It might be a little bit easier if you start from the bridge here and put your lens in there if you're having some issues with it seating, and then just work your fingers around the edges, make sure that everything pops into place. And then once that's done, all you gotta do is tighten up those 2 screws right here again and right here, and your frames are good to go. Alright, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Check out our other videos and follow us on our other social medias. Thank you, and have a great day.